Today I'm standing outside 3 Fairlight Street in Mosman Park, where we've got a brand new development just completing. There's about 6 apartments left, a relatively boutique development of 26 apartments. Mosman Park is one of the premium suburbs in Perth, medium house price of around $2 million. And it's kind of wedged between the Swan River and the ocean over this side, and we're in fact about 500 metres walk from the ocean. So on Google Maps it actually says an 8-minute walk to the beachside. And of course we also have Victoria Station about 200 to 300 metres away, and then we've got Mosman Park Station probably about 800 metres away. So very, very well located. All the investments that I've ever had that have been close to the coast have always done well. Any house that I've bought always done very well because they're not replacing the coast, they can't make any more of it. I'm going to show you through one of the apartments in this development today.
There's no need to complicate things. Let's stick to the basics. We both know what we want, let's just keep it